Introducing the A20 Air electric bike, your ultimate companion for mountain adventures, daily commutes, and leisure rides. Combining power, autonomy, and innovative technology, the A20 Air redefines your cycling experience. Powered by a high-speed 250W motor, the A20 Air reaches a top speed of 25 km per hour, 15.5 miles per hour. Whether you're tackling steep inclines or cruising through the city, this e-bike provides the power and speed you need. Equipped with a removable 36V 10Ah built-in battery, the A20 Air offers an impressive range of up to 100 kilometers, 62.2 miles, on a single charge. Enjoy long rides with confidence and ease. The A20 Air features a cutting-edge belt system that is 36% lighter than traditional chains. With a transmission efficiency of up to 98%, it offers smoother and quieter rides, reducing noise by 10 to 15 dB compared to chain drives. Experience seamless power delivery with the advanced torque sensor. This technology accurately detects pedal force and outputs power assistance in real time, eliminating power lag and enhancing your riding comfort. Safety is paramount with the A20 Air. Equipped with hydraulic disc brakes, this e-bike offers superior control and stopping power. Dual disc brakes on the front and rear wheels significantly improve safety, dissipate heat evenly, and ensure long-lasting performance. Stay connected with the ADO Smart app via Bluetooth. Monitor your riding status, view maintenance records, and access multi-channel customer service. The 360 degrees interactive panoramic platform offers an immersive and personalized riding experience. Embrace the future of biking with the A20 Air electric bike. Combining great autonomy, powerful performance, and smart technology, it's designed to elevate your every ride. Like, comment, and subscribe for more updates and adventures with the A20 Air.